Hi guys, welcome back to the Resinator. Today I'm going to be doing one of my usual bowl moulds. This is the one with the sloping sides. And I'm going to experiment with colour a little bit because I really don't know what colours I want to do. So I thought I would use between the sheets mica powder, hummingbird paste, a bit of stag beetle black, and then just a little bit of toasted oat. Not sure how well these are going to go together, but you know, it is what it is. So let's go with this one for the between the sheets. I've kept some resin back for a clear push. That colour's absolutely beautiful. I'm doing this one first because I'll be able to see if any unmixed powder floats to the surface. There we go. This one I think I'm going to do the black. I still haven't taken the foil off that. What am I like? Give that a stir. This one is going to be a hummingbird. I think I might like a little bit more of that in there actually. And then this last one is going to be our toasted oat. Now I can't remember whether I've used this or not. Yes, I have. I've got no idea whether this is going to work or not. There's that one. So let's put my lid on. And then we'll get rid of these sticks. And there is a little bit of powder there still, so that is why I did this one first. Unmixed powder usually floats to the top, and then you can get it and mix it in. Okay, so let's bring the mould in. And as usual, I'm going to stand up for this bit. And I'm going to start with a little bit of black. We're not putting any sparkle in this. I didn't feel the need to because between the sheets is pearly enough, as you can see, and the hummingbird also will be. I am starting to like these colours already though. Right, I just want a really thin line of this going round like that. And then I'm going to do a clear push. And we're going to continue round doing the same thing. Okay, so our bowl is full. Let's move those out of the way. I'm going to move this over. You can see that that is starting to move in already. I'm going to find a mould, possibly this one actually, a little mobile phone holder that I'm just going to throw everything that's left into. And then once that is closed in, I will get the lid on and turn the cure machine on. So I'll see you back for the demould. These are all cured now, and I'll show you the little extras. So I poured my usual favourite little starfish, and this was mostly between the sheets mica powder and then a little bit of the toasted oat in the centre. I really like what it did on the back, but not much of it dropped through to the front, but it's still really cool. And this mould is just gorgeous. It's really glossy. It always comes out lovely. And then I did a little mobile phone stand. The back of it's quite interesting. But I poured the black and the hummingbird first, so that's what you mostly see on the top, but I really love that. That is for me. So let's demould our bowl. And I really love what this has done on the back. So to recap on what we used, I used stag beetle black, toasted oat, and hummingbird, and they're all pigment pastes. The hummingbird is a pearl pigment paste, and between the sheets mica powder, and all of those are from Create and Bloom. So let's move them out of the way and loosen this off. I really like the look of all these colours together, so hopefully the rest of the bowl looks as nice. Oh wow, now that is really cool. That is awesome. Wow. So first of all, we've got a really nice cloud effect in the bottom. That is where the toasted oat has gone in. And it's really wispy around the insides. And actually there's a good amount of each colour showing through. Let's show you the outside as well. I absolutely love that. and those colours look really nice together. There is a lip on the bottom that I need to get rid of. It's quite sharp, which is why I'm wearing gloves. And there is still a little bit of powder that didn't get mixed in properly, but it doesn't really spoil the overall effect of it. But oh my goodness me, I absolutely love that. That between the sheets is just stunning. Look at that, absolutely love it. Very happy with that indeed. So if you like what I'm doing, please pop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. It's a couple of little clicks, it's free, and it really helps me grow the channel. Links to everything that I've used in this project will be down in the description, along with the links to my Amazon wishlist and to buy me a coffee. There's also buttons down below to join the channel as a member, and the super thanks button, and everything that comes in from all of those goes straight back into the channel. Thank you to all of my members and my subscribers. I really appreciate all of you. You guys are great, and you've been so supportive of me lately and the troubles that I've had. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And all that's left to say is I will see you in the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye.